talk about our entertainment on board. So we offer 2 flat screen TVs, HDTVs. There's one in the rear bedroom and there's one up front. This one up front has a storage compartment. Back here, we supply some videos. For families, we supply a Nintendo unit. We have a few cords back here, an extension cord if needed. We have an HDMI cable with an Apple iPhone connection, so you can stream off your phone or computer with the HDMI connection that plugs into the entertainment system. We also have our onboard radio control center, which also has our DVD player. This is where you control all your indoor and outdoor speakers. You can also tether onto your phone with Bluetooth capability. So one important thing to know also, whatever you're streaming here in HDMI is also connected to your rear TV. So when you come to your rear TV, using the remote control, select your input and you'll see whatever you're streaming out front. Now say you wanted to watch something different in your rear TV. So the HDMI cords are easily accessible right here. So you can simply unplug, plug in any other HDMI you have or USB and go into the control unit just like any other TV and stream whatever you want to watch.